Hey you guys, it's your girl Shella, PROMOSTK, eating good in the neighborhood, and Shella's Creations way. And I'm doing a challenge. Oh yeah, it's the 3 jars in 3 minutes baby food challenge by PrissyP, PR Gang Gang Gang, and Epic Empire. Oh yeah, if you guys have not seen them do this challenge, check it out, check it out, check it out. I'm trying to beat my husband's time, so hey guys, here we go, Team Shella. Oh yeah, PromoSTK, and I'm here to do a challenge. Oh yeah, it's the challenge by the PR Gang Gang Gang, PR Gang Gang Gang. Oh yeah, PrissyP. Oh yeah, PrissyP and Rayshawn, and also Epic Empire. Y'all saw my husband and my nephew do it, and now you're gonna see me do it. PromoSTK. Oh yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the timer as a stopwatch, so y'all will see the time going up. I'm gonna go ahead and open. Oh, let me tell you what I got first. I got sweet potato turkey with whole grain. I have peas, and I have apple avocado. Y'all may think those are nasty, but I think it's gonna be pretty interesting. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on with it and take the lids off. And of course we gotta do entree. Ooh. Vegetable. Ooh. And of course our dessert. Ooh, these things are hard to get into. All right. So if you guys have seen me do my my pudding finger licking challenge that we created. Y'all know I love eating with my fingers, but I don't know about this, y'all. So I'm gonna get ready to set the timer. Again, we got the entree, we got the peas, and we have the avocado applesauce. So I'm gonna set the timer. All right, so we're gonna get started. All right, so I'm hitting the timer. So you gonna watch me do this?
Yeah, I'm gonna watch. I ain't beating you.
Okay, you ain't gonna beat my time. He don't want me to beat his time. He did a minute and 24 seconds, y'all.
You ain't gonna beat it.
Okay, then be quiet. Let me focus on this.
Listen to her now.
All right, start.
Oh. Get it all out. You greedy any damn way. Shit. This girl. This girl just.
Get out of my eye, y'all.
Look at that now.
Done.
I did 43.
All right.
You did pretty good.
So I did it 43 seconds, y'all. Woo, I could have did it faster. That stuff would have caught in my eye.
I can beat that.
No, you had an opportunity to do it again.
No, I can beat that. No.
Woo. Oh, y'all. Woo. I guess I'm used to eating stuff with no flavor, I guess. PROMOSTK. PROMOSTK. Eating good in the neighborhood. 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 Oh yeah. Woo! Don't forget to check out my channel on PromoSTK, Shella's Creations way. It's where I do all of my cooking and prepping. See y'all later. Oh, I also have another channel. Yeah, it's not monetized yet, but it's my 3rd channel, y'all. I just be doing ASMR sounds and story time on that channel, so y'all welcome to go check it out. But in the meanwhile, check out my eating channel and check out my Shell's Creations Way, where I'm very creative in that. Also, I beat Frank! Woo! Yeah! I beat Frank. Yeah. Team Shella. Where y'all Team Shella? Woo! I beat Frank! Yeah! I finally get a win, y'all. Woo! It's been a while, but I finally get a win. Also, I want to do a prank on Frank. It's that time. I haven't done one since last year. A prank on Frank. I think I know what I'm going to do. But y'all, send me some suggestions. Yeah, send me some suggestions on some pranks on Frank. Check my playlist on my pranks on Frank and see what I've done so far. All right, love y'all. Woohoo! Yay! Oh yeah. Give me some fists. Give me some elbows. Oh yeah.